to show you how to make a meatloaf that's really good comfort foods for a nice cold night. I'm going to do it for people for 2, but I do have my recipe will be for 4. But I'm using a half a package of wild trees, just like Mom's meatloaf, 1 egg, beaten, a 1/4 cup, actually an 1/8 cup of milk, and the same of Wild Tree's ponzu sauce. Now I use this ponzu sauce like a dressing for that I would use soy sauce or that I would use Worcestershire. I think it's just much better, has less salt in it, and those are very high salt content. Now I'm just mixing up the ingredients, and this will make a wonderful, wonderful meatloaf. And then when I'm done mixing it, I'm going to put it in a little loaf pan that we can toss in the oven. We'll put it at 350 and cook it for about an hour. I'm going to coat the top of it with ketchup, but you can use a chili sauce or one of your favorite sauce toppings. I just like to just really finely coat it. Just stick it right in there. It's a little bigger than that pan. They're small loaf pans. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of this ketchup and smudge it right on top. Not a whole lot. You don't want really a whole lot. You just want to, it's enough to seal in the flavor. Just smear it on with my brushes. This is a great meatloaf, quick and easy, that you don't have to pay much attention to. Like I said, 350, pop it in the oven for an hour. And after an hour, now this is for a big family of 4 to 6, you have the finished product. Great served with mashed potatoes and gravy, sauteed carrots, also as a hot meatloaf sandwich.